Hello guys, in this video we will see how to access Lorex cameras from a web browser. Remote viewing setup tutorial. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step like initial network configuration and setup content. Connect your Lorex and river to your router using an Ethernet cable power on the system access. Then use local interface via a connected monitor and mouse. Navigate to the network settings section. Configure then refer automatic IP address assignment that or manually assign a static IP address. Subnet mask gateway and then servers. Verify that the displays an online or connected status for its internet connection. Note down the assigned internal IP address and its designated hub port number, which can typically be found within the network or PIP settings. Step enable PIP Lorex cloud or dynamic content within your network or system configuration. Locate the peer-to-peer PIP or Lorex cloud service option. Enable this feature as it simplifies remote access by often eliminating the need for complex port forwarding. If available, note the NRIS device EDUD and any associated code, which confirms PIP is active. Alternatively, if PIP is not preferred or encountering issues, configure a dynamic and then service. Select a DENS provider from the NRIS integrated options. Register a unique hostname through that provider and input your DENS credentials into the NRIS to ensure its external IP address is consistently mapped to your chosen hostname.
Step configure port forwarding on your router. If PIP is not used, content if you are not utilizing Lorex cloud or DENS, or if they are not functioning correctly, you must configure port forwarding on your internet router. Access your router's administration interface by entering its gateway IP address into a web browser. Look at the port forwarding virtual server or NAT settings. Create new forwarding rules for each required Lorex port. Typically, the HEP ported or a custom port like the data porting and there is porting will direct these forwarded ports to the internal IP address of your Lorex and noted in step, but ensure the correct protocol HEP or both is selected for each port. Save the configuration and restart your router if prompted. Step identify your external IP address or DENS hostname content to remotely access your Lorex system from a web browser outside your local network. You need either your current public external IP address or your configured DENS hostname. If you set up DENS in step, your chosen hostname My Lorex Net will be your access point. If you are relying on port forwarding without DENS, use a web browser on any internet-connected device and search for what is my IP address. This will display your router's current external IP address. Be aware that most residential internet service providers assign dynamic IP addresses that can change over time, making DENS a more reliable solution for consistent remote access.
Step access Lorex cameras via web browser content. Open a web browser on the computer you intend to use for viewing. For older Lorex systems, Internet Explorer might be necessary due to ActX requirements, although newer systems often support Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. In the browser's address bar, type your external IP address, followed by a colon, and your NRIS HEP port number 8, HEP your public IP or your DENS hostname, followed by a colon, and a HEP port 8, HEP Lorex written snitter. Press Enter. The browser may prompt you to download and install a specific plugin or ActX control. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once the plugin is active, you will be presented with the NRIS login screen. Enter your NRIS administrator username and password to access and view your camera feeds remotely.